friends, welcome to some biology class. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones and their derivatives. They are classified into three main groups such as monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugars. They cannot be hydrolyzed into smaller units. They possess one free aldehyde or ketone group and two or more numbers of hydroxyl groups. Their general formula is CnH2O(N). Based on the number of carbon atoms present, monosaccharides are subdivided into triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose, heptose and so on. Triose possesses 3 carbon atoms, tetrose has 4, pentose has 5, hexose has 6 and heptose contains 7 carbon atoms. The general formula of triose is C3H6O3. An example is D-glyceraldehyde. D-glyceraldehyde. It is an aldotriose. The general formula of tetrose is C4H8O4. An example is erythrose. And next one is pentose, whose general formula is C5H10O5. An example is D-ribose, which is a constituent of nucleic acids. And the next one is hexose. It contains 6 carbon atoms. So its general formula is C6H12O6. An example is D-glucose. The last one is heptose. Its general formula is C7H14O7. An example is pseudoheptulose. Depending upon whether they contain aldehyde or ketone group, monosaccharides are also subdivided into aldose or ketones. The monosaccharide which possesses one aldehyde group is known as aldose, and that contains a ketone group is known as ketose. These two characters can be combined into one. For example, glyceraldehyde is an aldotriose. Aldotriose means it contains 3 carbon atoms and 1 aldehyde group. Similarly, ribulose is an ketopentose. It possesses 5 carbon atoms and 1 ketone group. Glucose is an aldohexose. Except fructose, ketoses are not as common as aldoses. The most abundant monosaccharide in nature is D-glucose. Glucose is an aldohexose, whereas fructose is a ketohexose. Second one is oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are compound sugars. They yield 2 to 10 same or different monosaccharide units upon hydrolysis. The oligosaccharide, which is composed of 2 monosaccharide units, are known as disaccharides. Its general formula is CnH2O n-1. Examples are sucrose, also called cane sugar, lactose, also known as milk sugar, and maltose, also called malt sugar. Next one is trisaccharides, which consists of 3 monosaccharide units. General formula is CnH2O n-2. Examples are rhamnose. Examples are rhamnose and raffinose. Next one is tetrasaccharides. Next one is tetrasaccharides, which consists of 4 monosaccharide units. General formula is CnH2O n-3. Examples: stachyose and scorodose. Examples are stachyose and scorodose. Last one is pentasaccharides. Last one is pentasaccharides, which consists of 5 monosaccharide units. General formula is CnH2O n-4. An example is verbascose. Third one is polysaccharides. They are also compound sugars. Upon hydrolysis, they yield more than 10 same or different monosaccharide units. Their general formula is C6H10O5X, where X is the number of monosaccharide units. Polysaccharides are subdivided into 2 different groups, such as homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. The polysaccharide, which is composed of same type of monosaccharide units, is known as homopolysaccharides. Examples are starch, glycogen, and pectin. Second one is heteropolysaccharide, which consists of different types of monosaccharide units. Examples are hyaluronic acid and chondroitin. So friends, this is all about classification of carbohydrates. For more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Sun Bios Plus.